World Diabetes Day has been under the ambit of UN resolution which happened in 2007 that bring all the awareness program which was happening through the International Diabetes Federation. The event took the responsibility to spread the awareness about the diabetes in 2007 with a unanimous resolution wherein it is just to give the awareness of this a chronic disease, diabetes. It is a killer disease which not only affects the eyes, kidney, heart, limbs, vessels, you name it. It is this World Diabetes Day is basically to campaign the awareness of preventing the disease altogether, to eradicate as much as possible, whether it is a primary prevention, screen them, detect them and treat them early. Secondary prevention is to diagnose and prevent the complications which happens due to diabetes. The third one, tertiary care of the diabetes, that's definitely to give solace to those who have already. Sport of diabetes in India. There are some research studies are there wherein that Indians have got genetically susceptible. They have the pattern called, we have South Asian phenotype and Indian phenotype. The Indians are susceptible almost a decade earlier as compared to the Western population who are going to get the disease diabetes. There are many factors. There are genetic factors, there are epigenetic. Epigenetic means the environmental factors, the physical inactivity, the food habits, whether it is a high intake of carbohydrate, which is what we know because of the physical inactivity, the carbohydrate consumption, the diet, which we are forgetting about our traditional dietary system, and also regular exercises which are very lacking in some of the populations among Indians. That might be one of the main reason apart from the genetic factors as a phenotype.
Its contributions.
Insulin is the center of this onset of diabetes. If the deficiency is the total deficiency where the cells which are secreting from the pancreatic, the cells in the pancreas, beta cells which secretes, if it is totally absent, but of course in children nowadays type 2, where there is a lack of insulin or inactivity of insulin to bring down the high level of glucose in the blood, that can also lead to this one. For this too, the insulin was discovered and came to existence, and in 1921 the first discovery of insulin which brought to the practice, clinical practice, by Charles and Frederick Banting, Charles Best and Banting. These two people who brought the discovery of insulin, and they shared the Nobel Prize along with the third person, MacLeod. So the discovery of insulin now, recently in 2021, it completed 1 centenary years. So the discovery of insulin made a path breaking in the treatment, in the management of diabetes, which gave the life for people who are facing almost near to death. That is the importance of discovery of this insulin, which has got the major impact in the mankind. Increased glucose levels has got its own toxic effects on different cells in the body, whether it is the cells of different organs, whether it is a liver, whether it is an eye or a brain or vessels. It has got its own. We have major vessels, that is the large vessels, the small vessels. The large vessels can affect the heart. The limb vessels can cause to, the foot infection, later on maybe gangrene. So foot amputations are quite common amongst uncontrolled diabetes. Similarly, they can have the small vessel diseases which affects basically the eyes, the kidneys, the nerves, causing nerve pains, neuropathy we call that. And similarly, they can have also the incidence of stroke is quite high. Recently in the COVID, people who had comorbid conditions like diabetes, associated other issues, also had this the mortality of the COVID was much higher among in normal levels, either through proper physical activities, the exercises, and diet, and plus behavioral modifications like tobacco avoidance, alcoholic avoidance, similar keeping the activities in a healthy lifestyle is a very important aspect of keeping the diabetes in control. Or preventing the diabetes is access to diabetes care. Every person with diabetes or who has a history of diabetes in the family, or the person who is obese, heavyweight, a person having got certain particular trait in the group or in a society, should have an access to diabetes care or diabetes screening is the main theme of 2021. Access to diabetes care is the theme of 2021. It will go for 3 years, and so that the population will get awareness about the knowledge about diabetes and its complications. Thus they can able to get screened early, especially as I told, the Indian population can get much earlier, almost 1 decade, that's 10 years earlier as compared to the Western population. So this makes the younger populations are more vulnerable. It is especially at the earning time of their peak earning time. So one has to be very careful about this in getting screened, diagnosed, and taken prevention or treatment altogether. That makes this access to the diabetes care makes a more important campaign for 2021 through the World Diabetes Day. That is the message I can able to give.